Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Angels 11. I'm Ashna and today I'm doing the tarot reading for the week of 17th May 2021. So let's see what are the messages for this week. Lovers. Now, this talks about a very karmic relationship. It talks about a relationship which has a lot of karmic debt involved. Sometimes this also means extramarital, relations. This means having any relation or association outside of marriage as well. Now, if some of you feel that recently you've had a blow in your marriage or your relationship where you felt that your partner was cheating on you, or they just lost interest in the relationship, then there's quite a possibility that this week you may get that instinct, that vibe that something is not okay, my partner might be cheating on me. You may feel that way. The other message says that even if it's not the case of cheating or your partner going out of the partnership and associating with someone else, this means that there's a lot of karmic debt involved. So there is a lot of learning that you have from this particular partnership in your life. So till the time you don't learn from this partnership, or you don't gain what you need to for your soul growth, then this partnership will have a lot of hiccups, will have a lot of the karmic debt situation is as such that you'll have a lot of complications in this partnership. There might be lack of understanding, or there might be some issues happening around your relationship. So yes, this is a very very strong message that is coming in. Those of you who've separated and are thinking of getting back together, make sure that you weigh all pros and cons before getting back with your partner, because this is, firstly, I feel that it's a karmic thing and you're getting entangled into it again and again. So make sure that you are well versed of what your partner is up to and whether you really want to be with them or not. Let's see the next card. The World. So this is the best, one of the best cards in tarot. It's one of my favorite cards. This means that all elements of nature, all four elements of nature is working in your favor. So whatever situation you are in your life, the next probably 2 years, 21 months almost, it's going to be really nice. Something will happen which will be beneficial for you, something that you really want, and especially those of you planning to travel abroad, especially for a long-term settlement, then this is a very very brilliant card. Last week also I spoke about going abroad, settling abroad, and even this week we've got the card, but the timeline is longer. So it says that in the next 2 years you may have a very very big opportunity to move somewhere and grow, for your benefit and for your overall well-being. Going abroad is it's coming in the cards. It's something that maybe you really want, something that you're planning to do, and you will be able to achieve it because all forces of nature are with you at this time. Let's see the final card. The Fool. Now this is again a card which talks about a lot of karmic baggage. If you see this person, he is going without knowing that there is a valley, and he may fall down. If you see, he's carrying a lot of karmic baggage. So this lifetime, for you to feel better, for you to not let any roadblocks come your way, you need to kind of understand what this lifetime is teaching you. You need to understand the patterns. Supposing you have relationship issues, supposing you have issues with money, you need to understand what is that is blocking my path. So till the time you don't get it, this karmic baggage will keep blocking your future goals. So to avoid that, make sure that you start understanding your patterns. If you feel that money comes very difficult to with difficulty to you, you feel that your relationships don't work out, or you're always it's like you're codependent on others, then you need to understand that pattern and break from it. You need to have a breakthrough for your life to become stable. So till the time we don't understand the reason why we are here, why we are born, what is our aim, what is our life purpose, till then the same cycles and the same pattern will keep repeating. If you want that this cycle should end, then you need to take a different action. I hope this made sense. A lot of spiritual messages this week, a lot about karmic baggage and how to reduce it and to understand your life patterns. So I hope this made sense. If you want a personal reading, send me a DM and I'll schedule an appointment as soon as possible for you. I'll see you very soon. Love and light to you all. Bye.